Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I am going to show you how to upload a video on YouTube. I am not going to waste much of your time, so let's get started. So here I am in my browser and I'm signed into YouTube. To upload a video, when you head over to the top right corner of your screen, you have this create button. When you hit on the create button, you get this menu where you can either upload a video or go live on YouTube. So we are going to ignore this one right here and hit on upload video. After hitting on upload video, you get this dialog. When you hit on this select file button, you will get this open dialog. Right here you can select the location where you have the file you want to upload on YouTube. So I have mine on my desktop. So I have my desktop selected and I'm going to select the file. This is the file right here and click on open. Or you can simply drag and drop the file in here. Either way, it's going to start uploading the file. So while the file is uploading, you are going to fill these tabs with the necessary information. You are going to make sure all the tabs are checked. So you have 4 different tabs right here. You have the details tab, you have the video elements tab, you have the checks tab, and you have visibility tab. So we are going to start with the first tab right here, the details tab. Within the details tab, right here is where you give your video a title. So you are going to type in the title of your video right here. After typing in the title, next you are going to add a description. Now you are going to give a detailed explanation of what your video is about. This helps viewers to find your video and it convinces them to watch it. Links and any other additional information can be added here. After writing your description, next you are going to add a thumbnail. Now these are suggested thumbnails from the video you are uploading. So if you find any of them that you like, you can select it as a thumbnail. But if you have a custom thumbnail that you want to use for the video, you can upload it by hitting on this upload thumbnail button. When you hit on the button, once again you get this open dialog. Here you can choose the location where you have the thumbnail in your system. So I have mine in my desktop. Select the thumbnail and hit on open. And immediately the thumbnail will be uploaded. If you want to change it, you can go ahead and hit on this options button and then you can go ahead and hit on the change button to change. Next you can add the video to a playlist. So if you have a playlist in your channel, you can select the playlist you want to add the video and then click on done. You can as well create a new playlist down here. Next, you are going to choose or specify whom your video is made for. If the video is made for kids, that is, if the target audience are kids, you are going to select yes, it is made for kids option. But if the content is for the general public, that is, it could appeal to kids and also adults, you can hit on the no, it's not made for kids option. Next, you can set an age restriction. When I hit on show more, okay. Right here, you can restrict your content from viewers over the age of 18 and you can decide not to. When I scroll down a bit more, down here is where I can add tags to my video. Right here it says tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in helping viewers to find your videos. So down here you are going to type in keywords that are related to the video you are uploading. For example, I'm going to add keywords like how to upload a video, upload video, YouTube, and many more. So you can add as many keywords as you like, separating them with commas. So we are done right here within the details tab. If you find this video helpful so far, do well to give the video a like and support the channel by hitting on that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. Thank you. Next, you are going to head over to the video elements tab. Within the video elements tab, down here you can add subtitles, you can add an end screen, and you can add cards. End screen helps to promote videos and it encourages viewers to subscribe to your channel at the end of your videos. End screens are added within the last 5 to 30 seconds of your video, and you can add up to 3 different videos on your end screen. When you are done setting up the end screen, you can go ahead and hit on the save button. Next, you have cards. Cards are clickable links to other contents that appear during your video. It can be a video link, playlist link, channel link, or other links. And you can add up to 5 different cards in your video, just like the one you are seeing at the top of this video right now. When you are done adding your cards, you can go ahead and hit on the save button. Next, you have the checks tab. The checks tab automatically checks your content for copyright claims and ad suitability. If your content contains other people's content that are uploaded on YouTube, it will immediately detect it and draw your attention. And last but not the least, we have the details tab. Within the details tab, right here you can choose when to publish and who can see your video. So you can either save or publish a video, or you can schedule the video for a later date. When you click on the save or publish option, right here you can make your video private. That is, only you and people you choose can watch the video. When you make the video unlisted, the video can only be seen by anyone you share the video link with. When you make the video public, everyone can watch your video. When a related keyword is searched, your video will show up in the search results with other videos. When you set your video to private or unlisted, the video will not show up in the videos tab of your channel homepage. So the second option down here is schedule. When you select the schedule option, right here you can choose a future date and time you want your video to be uploaded. And your video will remain private until the day you choose for it to be made public. Down here you can set it as a premiere by checking this box right here. So when you are done, before hitting on the schedule button or the save button, you are going to go through the tabs again and check if there's anything left out. If you are good, you can go ahead and hit on the schedule button and your video will be saved or scheduled. So if you find the video helpful, please give the video a like and support the channel by subscribing to the channel and turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.